The long neck angle grinder LHW is a powerful yet fine tool for detailed tasks, ideal for ambitious tool construction, mould manufacture, automotive engineering and many other applications. So you can get started immediately. We include a high-grade corundum grinding disc, a fabric-reinforced cutting disc and a pre-mounted fan sander. Our range of accessories includes a variety of cutting and grinding discs made of different materials for a wide range of applications. This makes the device ideal for machining steel, non-ferrous metal, glass, ceramic, wood and plastic, for cutting, roughing, grinding, precision grinding, polishing, fine polishing and for wood shaping. A slender gear head made of die-cast aluminium is what makes the device superior in terms of application versatility. Ideal for users who frequently need to work in confined spaces. A special quiet-running DC motor develops power levels which never cease to amaze for such a compact device, while permitting precise and sensitive handling thanks to the ergonomically sophisticated housing. The rugged housing, made of polyamide and featuring a soft, non-slip component, provides an excellent grip during operation, thereby making work effortless. What about workpieces which are somewhat irregularly shaped? No problem. They can still be ground using a rubber backing disc with a Velcro lining. Simply press the discs together to make them adhere firmly. Even a sanding fleece can be used in combination here. We offer two different ones. Our corundum-bound cutting disc makes it possible to cut steel, non-ferrous metals and wood. Last but not least, allow us to present our rasp plate. It performs truly amazingly, achieving extraordinary removal rates for materials such as wood and plaster. The long neck angle grinder LHW comes in a storage case made of high-quality polypropylene. Elegant, ultra-strong and spacious enough to permit the uncomplicated storage of the device after work. A side label identifies the contents. Proxxon. Tools with character.